Hi friends, Christy here from MakingItInTheMountains.com, and today I'm going to share some of my favorite ways to store blankets around our home. Alright friends, welcome back to my channel today. Thank you so much for joining me. I am thrilled to be taking part in the organization DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by my friend Christina at the DIY Mommy. I always love taking part in these challenges. There are always so many wonderful ideas that people share. And to make sure you don't miss out on any, I will be sure to leave a link to the playlist in the description box below. So today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite ways to store and display blankets around our home. Now, most of you probably use the old tried and true folding a blanket over the back of a couch, but today I'm going to share with you 5 creative ways to store your blankets around your home. Now, no matter where you live or what time of year it is, everybody has extra throw blankets around their house. But finding a beautiful and practical way to store these blankets around your home can be a bit tough sometimes. So today I'm going to share with you some other creative ways to store blankets around your home that are practical and useful yet still beautiful. So let's get started. So we actually have 2 blanket ladders in our home. This one that you see here in our living room was one that we actually DIY'd ourselves in less than 30 minutes. I'll be sure to leave a link to the tutorial for you in the description box below. Then we've got the most lovely vintage ladder up in our master bedroom. This was a great find from a cute little shop in Spokane. I love the patina of the wood and those cute little metal brackets at the top. I just think it adds so much character. Blanket ladders are a great option to not only store your blankets, but really display them in a creative and beautiful way. Now, baskets might just be my favorite way to store blankets simply because of how easy they are to use. A nice big basket adds some great texture to any space and can easily hold 2 or 3 blankets. Not only is it super easy to grab a blanket when you want one, but best of all, it's easy for everybody else to put them away. Draping a blanket over the sofa is probably the most well-known and most used ways to store blankets. I wanted to take some time to mention that the blankets do not need to be folded to look beautiful. Draping a blanket over the sofa in a more casual way really helps to make things feel less polished and more cozy. Now, obviously you can store your blankets folded up and stacked on a shelf in a closet, but I like to store them folded up in a beautiful glass front cabinet so that they can still be on display. Not only does this cabinet in our guest room look beautiful with the blankets stacked inside, but best of all, our guests feel welcome to take them as they need. And last of all, and probably coziest of all, is keeping a blanket folded at the end of the bed. Now, living in Alberta, it is always helpful to have an extra blanket ready in case you get cold sleeping through the night, especially through these cold winter months. Each and every bed in our house has a cozy blanket folded up at the end of the bed. I love that it adds some beautiful texture to the end of our bed. Plus, they're the perfect blankets to curl up with when you want to cozy in for an afternoon nap. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration and ideas that you can work into your own home as well. Now, if you liked this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. And of course, don't miss the other fabulous ideas in the playlist I've linked up below for you as well. Thank you so much for watching.